Yiba Kids. Hi! I have the most common two-letter word that ends with E. Remember that I separated this words from step 3? Because this has different way of reading. We can easily memorize these words. Again, follow my yellow star wand. Let's go and start reading. B. B. He. He. Me. Me. We. We. Let's recall them all. B. He. Me. We. Again. B. He. Me. We. Now, I have added these two-letter sight words, which is also very important. Hi. Hi. My. My. Bye. Bye. Great! Have you memorized this? Let's go to the next step. Most three-letter kindergarten sight words. Video link is in the description.